Best Cowrywise approach to living below your means. Living below your means doesn't mean being stingy or missing out. It means being the director of your money, not the extra in its movie. Cowrywise is your best co-director. 1. It is called spending on purpose. You prioritize what truly brings you joy and security, and automate the rest towards your future. Use the Cowrywise Pay Yourself First system. Set up an auto funding rule the day you get paid. Even if it is 2,000, it goes straight to your Cowrywise goal. You can name it My Freedom Fund. Then we have the guilt-free spending account. What is left in your bank is yours to spend without worry because your future is already taken care of. And if you get a bonus or a windfall money, immediately send 50% to a specific Cowrywise goal, for example, new laptop, before lifestyle inflation eats it up. In a world of flashy online trends, your greatest flex is a growing investment portfolio. That Cowrywise notification of an accrued interest is more satisfying than 100 likes. Living below your means is simply funding the life you want in the future while enjoying the one you have now. Set up the auto funding rule on Cowrywise this week. Drop a comment with what you are naming your first goal and subscribe for how to do this even on a low income. See you in the next video.